if you take your
Little guys.
grating, diffraction grating, and you try to look on this thing.
Oh, look, you get closer.
And try to look not directly, but aside.
Yes, there's purple, blue, and magenta lights on the side. And it looks like this. It looks like this. Huh? If you look at it, I have to look at it with one eyeball, but I also can't see well. Hey, you see it? You see it? Telling you for inner point.
Am I like?
Well,
feel
now
like
I can't see it.
Yeah.
You see it now? It's on the right side for me.
Well, depends what.
Just turn your eyeball to the left, to the right.
What?
You see it?
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, it looks like
The
this.
far right one to me is really red, more so than pink.
Yeah, it is. I think
I
that's
see
super red, but
I
it's
see
redder
four
than that.
lines.
Than
Yeah.
light.
So if you look on this little thing that is attached to the computer, so it's like an educational spectrophotometer, which gives a little bit better. So peaks originate at the wavelengths that correspond to emissions.